Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding Hbar. We're going to be discussing what really is happening within the markets right now, whether or not we could see more downside for Hbar right now. So we're going to be discussing the analysis on it right now in the immediate short term. So let's waste no more time and get right into it. So we're looking at the price of Hbar right now as of May 8th. 2023. You guys can see the price is currently sitting at 5.4 cents, down 1.8% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, but we're up 0.5% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Shifting our focus towards its market cap, currently sitting at $1.7 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $28.2 million. So if you guys are not familiar, what's happening within the markets today, you guys can see, if you missed out the overall analysis videos, you guys can see that, if we go across the entire market right now, mainly everything is down right now quite a bit, massive sea of red across the board. And the main reason as to why this is happening is because the king has decided to go below once again that massive level of support, which was at $28,723 level, and we have seen BTC retrace about 8%. So obviously altcoins are getting hit right now, but I want to share something interesting with you guys about Hbar right now. So if you're a holder, you do want to watch this video till the absolute end. But as always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So right off the bat, we have seen the price of Hbar go below the March low, like the March wick that we did see, and now we are sitting at some levels of support that date back to earlier this year, which was a level of resistance again, which is playing as a level of support for us. And the overall accumulation zone over the past few years, which did try to play as a level of support for us around the March low price, which was around that 5.4 cents mark, but we have gone a little bit below it. But I'm really impressed as to what I'm seeing right now. And again, this is showing the strength of this support line for the price of Hbar. We did see the price go all the way to that 5.1 cents mark, but it has gone up 4% since then. But now comes the question, could we potentially be headed down to this 5 cents mark or even lower and retest the December prices? Is that on the table right now? I've shared this with you guys on my last update. If you guys watched that video till the absolute, and I said there was a strong likelihood that Hbar could obviously go towards the downside, especially if BTC were to see a retracement and Bitcoin dominance stays high. And look what happened. Bitcoin dominance is still quite high, and we're seeing BTC retrace, which is causing altcoins to bleed quite hard right now in BTC comparative along with USD comparative. But what we're seeing with Hbar right now that I want to point out, again, not a lot of people are going to be excited about this, but it's up 0.6% over the last 24 hours in BTC comparative, despite the fact that Bitcoin dominance is still quite high. And not only that, if we're comparing it over the last 24 hours, it's down about 1.9%. So not bad. If I do bring out the overall time frame for you guys once again, let's examine it a little further. So since let's go yesterday. Yeah. So yesterday was May 7th. All right. So since May 7th, it has dropped about 7%. So that is equivalent to Bitcoin's drop. So like I said, generally speaking, we would tend to see if Bitcoin dominance is this high, we will see altcoins go down double digits compared to Bitcoin. But Hbar is going, very close in comparison to Bitcoin, and that is showing the strength of the support lines that we have built up in the accumulation zone. And remember, Hbar, I'm a huge believer on Hbar. I do believe this is going to be one of the big projects this upcoming bull cycle, but of course that's just my own personal opinion. But considering the community, the project itself, I really do see it being successful this upcoming bull cycle. And remember, we did visit this prices in March too, and we did see the price go up about 40% in a matter of a week and a half. So if you were really wishing you were picking up around the December prices when things were going insane earlier this year, right now that opportunity lies in front of you guys. We're still in an accumulation zone. It's still a long ways to go till we get into the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, which is where I think Hbar goes FOMO will come into it, and obviously that will happen when altcoin season starts. And last time we've seen the price of Hbar in that zone was back on May 9th of last year. So we're literally looking at a year ago. You cannot make this up. And if I bring out the measuring tool for you guys, that is still a move of about 145%. And these kind of moves, guys, crypto can move up very fast, especially when the heat comes in. And right now, the opportunity for altcoins is still there if you want to accumulate and you have money that you can afford to lose and you want to maximize your portfolio and kind of build your portfolio. That time is still there, because historically speaking, that bull cycle, that parabolic run that everyone is anticipating, that should happen next year after the Bitcoin halving. So people have a lot of time right now to be accumulating, but I still do believe, I'm a strong believer that altcoins are going to pop out before this year even comes to an end. And again, without patience, guys, nothing can be achievable, because if patience wasn't required, remember this, everyone would be extremely rich and everyone would be driving Lambos. But of course, that's not how the world works. If that was the case, it just doesn't make sense. Everyone would be rich. That's just now how it goes. So you need to learn how to have patience, how to dollar cost average, how to maximize your portfolio, always do your due diligence, and diversify the portfolio, and that will be the most success that you could get in this market if you have done all of that. But that is it for today's update, guys. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.